Alright guys, this is going to be real short. I just wanted to show you how good these rear brakes look. This is on the 24 Dodge. I got the front done, and if I put an old shoe between my teeth I can probably hold it on the road. But I'm going with it. Alright, let you see what the rear brakes look like, because I'm at the rear right now. And here you go. Nothing wrong with that. And I'm going to clean this up, make it work, and not put any parts in it. I couldn't believe how easy the rim came off, because usually with these tapered shafts, you got to beat on them until your nose bleeds just to get them off. But this one came off so easy, I think it might have been even loose. All right, ain't much to see here. I just wanted to let you see what the brakes look like. I think they're perfect. Yep, ain't no spiders going to make a home in there. Sort of a complicated bunch of something. I don't know. It's all mechanical. This is adjustment for, I guess, the emergency brake. There. So I'll have to figure it all out. Looks to me like everything is frozen. But we'll see. All right. I just wanted to show you what things look like. I guess everybody's seen this kind of ugly before, but hey, here we are. All right, guys. See you later.